Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 24 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. And this week's Shuriken skill is to discover and master select subject in the early 2018 update for Photoshop. Here I've got a stock image against a black background. If I just remove the mask here so that you can see it, there are a couple of ways that I could select this if I wanted to isolate it for a comp prior to, of course, licensing the image. But if I use the wand or the quick selection tool, I might have to deal with other things like the watermark or the number down at the bottom here. Let's use the new select subject feature, which you can find in 3 places. It's here in the top level menu system, just underneath focus area, and you'll also find it in the control strip if you have the quick selection tool active, and indeed in the select and mask workspace. I'll click it here in the control strip, and you can see that this AI powered selection method brings me a result very quickly, and that's pretty good, although of course it's against a black background, so that's going to be fairly easy anyway. Sometimes, of course, it's not going to be as straightforward as a one-click operation. You might also have to refine that, but it will get you some of the way in any event. If I bring in this image here, for example, much more complex looking image, and of course there's a watermark on the stock image as well, which I need to work with in this comp. If I just apply that, and again, I'll choose select subject. I'll do it from the top level menu system this time. No difference, of course, it does exactly the same thing. And it evaluates it and returns me a result pretty quickly. And you can see that is not too bad at all. All I'd need to do here is to go into the select and mask workspace and then use the refinement tools to add other parts of the selection where it needed them. For example, I could use the refine edge brush here down the side of the hair to improve that. And of course, other things that I do to achieve a perfect selection. And there you are, that's your Shuriken skill to practice this week. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, even faster, do check out my tutorials on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Please subscribe to the channel, feedback to me here or via Facebook or Twitter. But for now, we're done. And I'll see you next Monday for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.